This video will assist you in enabling and configuring the enhanced roaming capabilities on Cirrus LT. I highly suggest you check out the document posted below in the remarks about using the Cirrus LT with the enhanced roaming. It explains some of the concepts about roaming aggressiveness and the channels that need to be scanned and the requirements needed to actually use these features. So we'll go ahead and get started with the setting up the Cirrus LT to do the enhanced Wi-Fi roaming. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the on-screen menu by hitting Function F10 and then moving to the network and then Wi-Fi, and then go ahead and click the enhanced roaming selection box there. And once you have the green check mark, you will have enabled it. A couple things will change after you enable that. A small dot will appear in the status bar next to the Wi-Fi signal strength meter. This shows that Wi-Fi roaming is indeed active. We can also check back in the on-screen menu about the roaming channels that are being currently set. If you go into Administrator under System Info, there will be a line at the bottom that has just been added that will show you the current roaming channels that it is scanning for, 1, 6, and 11, as shown here. In this example, we will be setting the channels, changing them from 1, 6, and 11 to 1, 7, and 11, just to show you. So first we have to open up the Management Console, and then to try and detect your devices on the network. So go to Control, Detect Devices, and you'll see your device listed and with a check mark, the new one that has been found. I'm going to go ahead and remove one that was previously there just to make things simple. So the only one left is the one that we found during this session. So you can click Device Details, click the serial number, and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a Wi-Fi aggressiveness and an enhanced roaming on the last two. To change any of these features, you have to click the checkbox next to it, and then you can adjust the Wi-Fi aggressiveness. I would suggest setting it anywhere between 60 and 80, depending on how aggressive you want to set it to. We're going to change it to 70. The default is 62. After you're done, you click Applied Modified Data, and it will apply that. And so you can go back up and click back, and then if you want to just verify that it did that correctly, you can see it's set settings successful, and then you can go back in, and then your settings have been indeed saved as we changed them to -70. So now we want to change the Wi-Fi channels to roam. You go back in here under Control, under Wi-Fi, and here you can select the channels for roaming. These are the channels that will scan once it sees that it's hit that threshold of -70. To select more than one channel, you hold down Control. It was set, as you remember, 1, 6, and 11. We're going to change it to 1, 7, and 11. So I click 1, hold down Control, click 7, scroll down, keep holding Control, and then click 11. And then I can apply these roaming settings to the selected devices by clicking the button below. You may notice the Select Wi-Fi Country Code. This is a feature that has been redacted out of the Management Console and is no longer supported. This will be removed in the next version. Okay, to restart your device, go under Control, under Power, click Restart Selected Devices. As soon as you click that, the target device will restart, and the settings will then take effect once it's finished rebooting. The system has restarted, and we hit Function F10 to go back into the on-screen menu. Go to Administrator, System Info, double check the roaming channels have changed to 1, 7, and 11, and they have. This concludes the tutorial on the enhanced roaming for the Cirrus LT. For more information, visit www.ncst.com, subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter @InfoNCS, or find us on LinkedIn.